Hi guys, welcome back. And today is a red day, so I'm gonna be on a bit of a spending spree. So I only have $150 to spend this week since I'm doing something else with my Shopify stores. But last week I was buying more heavily into my um, real estate stocks since I wanted to build my position in them even more. This week I'm just gonna be buying my high growth stocks. So Luna, let me see. I can't spend as much as I usually can, but I want to buy some Luna. If you didn't watch my video on Luna, go back onto my channel and watch it. It's a very good stock. I'm gonna buy some Zygna. I love me some Zygna. I'm gonna buy some of that. I'm gonna see if I can buy one share of Unity. I don't know if I can. Just one. One. Yeah. Ah, damn it. I never could buy Unity. I'm gonna see. If I can't buy Unity, then I guess I'll just keep buying some guy and Luna. So I'm gonna buy some more. The guy goes through faster for the orders, but Luna after a while it does go through. So should I buy more of Luna or more of some guy? To be honest, they're both a good stock. Oh yeah, and I had the stock I was talking about in my previous video, my recent video I just made. It's called Otis Worldwide. It's a stock that I'm looking at. It's an elevator company and it's the number one player in the elevator company section. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that, and I might have to buy it in the future weeks to months and start building my position. So I'm gonna just keep buying Luna then. Luna and Zygna. And buy one. And just keep buying. Until I'm done. I'm gonna focus more on my growth stocks, since I think the real estate section is gonna go down a bit further in the next following weeks. So that's when I'm gonna start buying even heavily, start buying more into the real estate section. But right now I'm just gonna focus on my growth stocks, since they're gonna help me. They're at a good price right now. And let me see. I'm just buying until I can't buy anymore. Yeah, I think that's like I'm literally at my maximum. But yeah, now my stock market value is around $4,000, which I expect it to grow to at least $6,000 to $7,000 by the end of this year, just off me putting money into it for this account. And I expect it to grow due to the real estate section, which has a huge potential to go back to where it was. Most real estate stocks were at like $18. IBR was definitely at $18 before all this happened. Two Harvard was at like $20 before all this happened. MFA was at $6 to $7 before this happened, and Hallmaker was around $17 to $18 before this happened. So I could see a huge increase in my real estate portfolio. And Zygna and Unity and Luna I see as huge growth stocks that can grow over the years and make me tons of percentages over the next 5-10 years of me just holding them and keep buying to them. So I'm not worried about my portfolio at all, and I'm just keep building my portfolio and keep adding more stocks like Otis, and just keep doing more research on stocks that I like and stocks that I think has a huge potential. That was a earnings call. Oh yeah, and some dividends. I think some dividends are gonna be paid out soon, but I think that's like next month. So my dividend portfolio is gonna be pretty good too. Right now I'm just mixing up my portfolio, so I have dividend stocks with my growth stocks. But after I grow it to over $10,000 to $50,000, I'm gonna divide my dividend stocks and my growth stocks into two separate accounts, and one account specifically for dividends, one account specifically for high growth stock, and then one account like is the blue chip stocks. So yeah, I'm very excited for the future. Well, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you guys gonna buy, what stocks you want to see, and yeah, peace out.